Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make quick oatmeal cookies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Also, grab 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Finally, you'll need 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, whisk together your flour, baking soda, and salt. Set this aside. In a large bowl, using an electric mixer, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract. It's time to bring it all together. Gradually add the dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Once the flour mixture is mostly incorporated, gently fold in the 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. Mix until the oats are evenly distributed throughout the dough. This ensures every cookie has that perfect chewy texture. Your dough is now ready for baking. Finally, let's bake these delicious treats. Drop rounded tablespoons of cookie dough onto ungreased baking sheets, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Bake in your preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. The centers might still look a little soft, but they will set as they cool. Let them cool on the baking sheets for 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your quick oatmeal cookies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.